Welcome back to the channel, guys. Big up yourself. Thank you guys for joining Jamaican shore fishing. Today we're doing something different, guys. Unboxing of some new fishing gears and setting it up. What do I need to lure fish? And first of all, to lure fish, you need yourself a light setup. Something that's going to be light, that can carry you through your fishing. That's not going to be too heavy that you can cast all day and not have to worry about straining yourself or getting tired or fatigued. So today, guys, we're unboxing some new gears. As you see behind me here, I have some new gears that I ordered for a friend of mine that I'm doing a setup, who's actually going to meet me here today to do some fishing. All right, so all said and done, guys, let me drop this camera down a bit so you guys can see what's going on down here. So on the table that I got, first of all, we got ourselves a rod, a new Shakespeare micro CV's rod that we got, and actually looked at this, and I am gonna buy back another one of these, another color. Get rid of that, get rid of this trash. And this is amazing, guys. Brand new Shakespeare micro series fishing rod. Now we're setting this up for a subscriber of mine who's going to be doing some lure fishing, and we got this set up, guys. Look at that nice Shakespeare, check it out, micro series rod. You see the classification on it, ultralight, and it's in brand new in plastic, guys. And we're gonna get this thing set up. Let's get this tag off of this, and we can leave the plastic on the handle. He'll take that off when he gets here. Alright, so let me leave this up here for a second. The next step is to get the reel out, and I think the reel is right here in this bag. And as you see, guys, casting 15 pound 300 yard line, super power line that we got for this. Bike's passing 1,000,000 miles an hour, guys, so check it out. Casting super power line. That's what's up. We set up with that. And he didn't want to spend so much on an expensive reel, but we got one of medium that was pretty good price, also pretty good quality, from Pissy Fun 3000 series fishing rod. So guys, look at that, awesome setup. So he's going to be starting off with a 3000 series, guys. He's not going to start off with nothing too heavy, because you know you got to be light on it. Ultra light on your fishing. So got this thing lined up, smooth as hell, guys. Check this out, nice brand new rod. So we got the rod, we have the reel, we have the line. So now to set up your reel onto your rod. So you unscrew the bottom screw. Excuse that, guys, excuse that. So you get that in there like this, and you get in there as tight as possible, guys, so that there's no slipping of it, so you know that you're ready to go in this now. So the next set is to get this line on. Gotta open up the bail and get your line tied onto here on a nice decent knot, and then you have to set some tension and just reel your line up. All right, so we're gonna get to that real quick, guys. Stay tuned. Jamaican shore fishing, we are out here. Now I got my line tied on here. Now I had to put it on a tree over there, and then get my hand up here on this line, and then wind this up, putting in tension on it while I have it on here. So I got to be very careful to make sure I keep equal tension on here when I'm doing this, guys, because you want this line on here as tight as possible without creating any wind knots. So what I'm doing is use my right hand, holding the rod and running it through my hand at the same time I'm winding, so that I'm not losing any tension on this line, and just keeping a steady flow of line going on here. So another way to spool your line, guys, getting all set up and getting this line equally on here with some tension and getting them all set up, guys. Stay tuned, Jamaican shore fishing. What's up? Whole new entire lure setup, guys. Awesome vibes. set up. I want to get this on here tight as possible, guys. That's what's up. $300 yards of line, guys. Fill them up as much as I possibly can. Yeah, guys, so check it out. Got them all filled up now, and I'm gonna put a little extra on here just in case. Shrinkage, because you do have shrinkage. Short fishing. Pick up yourself, guys. So now I'm unboxing. I just finished spooling up the line. Sorry, I got the line all spooled up. Got line on here, nylon line, 300 yards. I also got his snap swivel on top. That's to connect his leader line. So I'm gonna build a leader line now, guys. So building a leader line, you need a couple of things. I might have to go to my bag because one of his packages didn't come on time. So you're gonna need snap swivels and you're gonna need barrel swivels. All right. So snap swivels, I get the kit with all different sizes, and I get the kit with all different sizes. You're gonna also need wire lead, tooth-proof wire lead for barracudas and toothy creatures like long jaws, stuff like that, that you don't want to lose your expensive lures. So not only that, but I also got him a whole pack of new lures. My original signature series origami lures, guys. I got him a whole pack of that too. I gotta be careful I don't get hooked here because there's a lot of hooks in here. And I'll show you guys real quick. So, whole pack of new lures, guys. New toys for him to play with. So you're gonna have these things to kill fish. He's gonna kill fish all day with these. So, let's get this wire lead built up. So, we'll need at least 12 inches of wire. We're gonna get the wire off of this. You gotta be careful and you try not to kink this, guys. You try to get out as much as you can. So I'm gonna build him a few of these. I'm not just gonna give him one, but just for camera's sake, I'm going to do this one on camera. My pliers that almost ruined yesterday. So, we got to cut this down to like 12 inches. Give me a second. I did it yesterday, and I ruined these pliers yesterday. That I was supposed to be cutting yesterday. Anyways, I gotta sharpen those up and fix that up when I get home. So yeah, guys, so I'm gonna get a snap swivel, barrel swivel out for him. Get a low profile barrel swivel, and this is what low profile barrel swivels look like, guys, just like this. So what I'm gonna do, get my wire lead in, get that swivel in there, and then bend it, creating a Y, like this, and then putting a twist, first twist, 1, 2, 3, and then I bring it up to an L and I twist 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 wraps. Right guys, you see that now? 8 wraps. Then you bend forward, bend back, bend forward, bend back, bend forward until it breaks. This will break it into a nice smooth break that way the leader line don't scratch you or grab onto your nylon line, and saves you a whole bunch of headaches when you're fishing, guys, because if this edge is sharp, it will cut you, it will stick you and bore your fingers, and you will get hurt while out there fishing. So that's what you're trying to prevent, the hurt factor of fishing when you do this. See? So now I have a smooth end and it's not going to cut me when I draw my hands on it. See that, guys? Nice tie, snap swivel. Jamaican Shore Fishing showed it to you just like that. Alright, so next business, I need me another set of snap swivel, but I need to get me a low profile set of snap swivels that when you hook it into the lure you can't see it. So I get the smallest one that I have in this kit, and I'll show you guys in a second. So this is the smallest snap swivel that I have in here. Really low profile, guys, and it has a little barrel swivel on the end, and that helps the lure spin and swim right. That way you can disconnect and connect your lures at any given time and change lures over to a different coloration as you choose. Same thing as I did the other one. Go like this, 1, 2, 3, and then I go again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Make sure that's tight. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I think I'm getting that call now, guys. That should be fillet. And that's it. Lure leader is built. Stay tuned. The person for this rod is calling me because they're on their way. So now that I got a big lock swivel up here on my main line, and then I have a barrel swivel, and then I have a small lock swivel on my leader line. My leader line is always separate than my main line, guys, because what I want to do is basically that I can change my leader line at any time and not interfere with my main line. So I got myself my leader line now on here, which is set up to hook on any lure or any rig that I need to do lure fishing, and this is now bite proof, tooth proof from barracudas and creatures like that. All right, so won't get them a lure out there, which is one of my favorite color lures to use, especially out in this kind of waters, would be the I like using the pink lure. I don't know why. This one is like a killer. So I'll get him set up with the pink lure right now, guys. You guys know that this is my favorite color lure of all lures. Look at this, the built on this with a little bucktail on it. Got these hooks on there. These hooks are serious, guys. Get him hooked on here. And that's it. Jamaican Shore Fishing. You have just now set up a whole entire lure fishing setup with Jamaican Shore Fishing, and this is what you need to lure fish. Thank you guys for joining Jamaican Shore Fishing. Just remember, please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads, guys, and drop that thumbs up as you come in, guys. Trust me, this is a nice setup. My friend is going to really enjoy this when he gets this in his hands, and he's going to catch some fish. We're going to catch some fish together. That's what's up. So stay tuned for that video. That's going to be coming up soon, and most likely we're going to probably shoot that today. We got his lure set up and he's ready to go, guys. All right, thank all you guys for watching. Appreciate you guys. Bless up yourselves. One love. Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here.